I gave it to you. Would you like to?
He's posing.
I know he was.
That's his kissy pose. Open more.
What's his sexy pose?
His kissy pose.
Oh.
I'll wrap the rest of it.
Open.
Oh, God.
No, you open it. It's yours. It's all yours.
How about that was a panda?
Oh, my. Oh, my God. What you did?
Robert, you didn't bring him over.
You got cheese with hamburger?
No.
No. It's sitting on the bottom. It's in my bottom shelf. What is that? Oh, my God.
What are they? Jammies? Sweet.
And Spider-Man at that.
Turn around here and let Mommy see.
You're gonna want to try the truck.
Okay, we'll open those up now. Just open up and find out.
Huh?
The bottom drawer.
No. I put them in the cooler. Thanks. Look what he handed me, Papa.
Turn around, let Mommy see. Let
He's
Mommy
handing
see.
us the paper. Look.
Let Mommy see. You open it. Let Mommy see you open it, though.
Look at Mommy. Look at your Mommy. Say cheese.
Cheese. Look at. Look at.
Oh, my God. What is on that shirt? Look.
Oh, the card. He even got shorts, finally.
Yeah.
Oh, my God. This was only $2.89. $2.86. Look at me, baby.
Look at you.
He gets excited over clothes. Thank you. There's
There's
another
more. There's more.
More. Oh, God.
Can't do it. It's a dance routine, and it's real fast. She can do the tears that well, real well. It's a dance routine.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, what is a dinosaur on it? Rhinoceros on there. Look.
I think it's a tiger.
No, that's a tiger.
I thought it was a rhinoceros.
Wawa.
This has got a dinosaur on there.
No, that's a lizard.
Well, he don't know that.
Hi, Coco.
That's it. Get in Grandma's sack. Sack. Right there. Get in there.
But there's...
Get that.
They're all on there.
Oh, God, Grandpa!
He's opening up the big present first.
Prezzies. Prezzies.
Yeah, look.
Let him do it, Brian. Put it back. Let him do it. Put it back. Put it back. Thank you.
Let me see you!
He wants...
Every little piece of paper has to be off the present.
Look at that!
Look at that.
He's like, look, it's
Grandma will open it for you. Here. You got more in that bag. You gotta look in that bag.
Here, put it in the bag. Here.
No, the bag's full. It's got all
Hey,
kinds of
Robert,
stuff.
would you mind doing me a favor and hold that?
Yeah.
Where's something over to Rhonda?
Here, baby. Look.
Look, Bradley. Oh, pick him up.
Oh my God, what did you get?
Nice clothes, huh?
I won't help Bradley. Yeah, he got more shorts.
Okay.
Let him open his present.
You yell at me again, girl. You can go home.
You can go home, Grouchy.
Open it.
Hi, Coco.
You a screwdriver.
Track.
Train track.
Train truck. I don't want a train.
I should have got that. That would have been a cool
I
one.
don't want a train. Still a
Here
truck.
you go.
I didn't get that one very good.
Here, go for this one.
Here's another one. Here's another one. He's so excited he don't know what to do.
I'm alive.
Another one.
We know what you like, don't we? He's got to get everything off that box.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, baby. Just rip it off. Sissy can get it off for you. Here, open this one up. Here, Sissy, do it. Sissy, do it. Here, you take this.
We wonder what that is.
What is that?
Oh, the car was hurt.
Probably a car.
I don't know in a minute.
We'll know in a minute.
Oh, God! Oh, God! Train!
Who is that? Is that Percy?
A little car seat.
It's got duck on it. Look, he's got a beard. Look.
Here, look. Look in here. Look in here. What's in there?
Duck and a close shave.
Dinosaur!
Oh my
Dinosaur.
Wait, that takes a big battery, I guess.
Yeah, this does.
Look, you just get that out.
Here, look.
You got more stuff in the bag, and then you gotta get in the bag that Mommy and Daddy got you.
Look in that bag. Thank you.
Look in the bag.
What's in
I
there?
didn't wrap it.
Cookies.
A bookie. You make your own.
Train.
Is that Thomas the Train?
He gave a big train down the train.
Thomas the Train. Give it to Mommy.
Here.
She's got to work with you with that one.
Cut out. What's those?
What's Tim?
That's a little what is a diaper?
Tim's the cool diapers. When you feel cold, he'll go, I'm cold.
You take that off. Look at me.
Yeah.
Big boy diaper.
That's your training panty.
Move out of the way.
You got
Mommy
pee
take
in the
pictures.
potty.
Right here, Bradley. Brian's got. Move out of the way, Brian. Mommy take pictures.
Here, Bradley. What's in here? Bradley,
sweetheart.
Bradley, what's in here? What's in here?
Look at that. He wants some
No,
wrap.
no, no, look, 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 look. What's in here?
Oh, train! Yeah, train!
Let me see.
Train!
He's saying train.
Oh, bubbles, man.
Isn't that cool?
Well, get in the sack and see what else is in there.
Train. Oh, dinosaurs!
Oh my God! Dinosaurs! That's what he said. Oh, Paul.
What's that? The
I
dinosaur!
still think you ought to go.
Big dinosaur, Rowan.
He's done called her. You can't go.
God,
I don't have a car.
God, you're the dinosaur, Rowan.
There's something else in the bag.
Look in the bag.
Look in the bag.
Something else.
Look in here.
Oh, the dinosaur?
Look in there.
Look at the raw sources.
That's really cool. Here, look in here. What's that? Bradley, what's that?
What you got
Well, that is a sandwich.
That's a sandwich.
Make a
I
sandwich.
didn't know that. I didn't even know what the hell it was. I thought it was a bowl.
It makes dinosaurs.
Makes
Sandwich.
Say thank you, Bradley.
It makes dinosaur bread.
Tell everybody thank you.
Thank you, Bradley. Say it.
You're gonna say what?
That's wire, Mom. You ain't gonna cut that.
Thank you.
Bradley, tell everybody thank you, love you.
Dinosaur, Rowan.